Hi everybody, welcome back to Tam Predicts, and this is another reading. This is for alphabets M, O, U, N, T, I, and Y. So if your name starts with any of these alphabets, this reading is especially for you guys, and let's see what is in store for you. I've kept different decks, and I'm using different decks right now, and I'm going to repeat. It's M, O, U, N, T, I, and Y. So let's see what are your messages, and what do the archangels and my spirit guides and ancestor masters have to say for this reading, and what messages do they want to give to you. And one did go flying away, so I'm not going to take that card. So let's start your reading. I'm starting with the fairy messages. Let's see what the fairies are saying. Let's see what the fairies are saying. I'm shuffling my cards here, guys. I shuffle my cards pretty fast. That's what a lot of people say. But yes, that's how I give messages. That's why I feel better, when I'm shuffling my cards faster. Let's start the reading. Which is the first message? What is your first message? Shine from within. So, guys, you need to shine from within. You need to keep your self-worth. You need to value yourself. You need to love yourself first. And I think when you value yourself first and you love yourself first, that's when you're ready to get into a relationship. And I don't know why I get it, but I think it's a relationship card. It's beginning, with this. If it's beginning with this reading, I feel it's a relationship card. I also feel like a lot of you want to get dressed for an occasion. You probably got a dress stitch, or you got new clothes if you're a man and you're listening to this video, and you wanted to wear those new clothes, on an occasion, something that was coming up, but it got cancelled, and it couldn't happen. And I don't know why, but I feel especially for women that you did wear that dress again, or whatever you had got stitched, or whatever the new dress was for the occasion, and you wore it and you stood in front of the mirror. And I think you're going to wear the dress soon. Don't worry, and it will be celebration time soon. So that's that's one of the messages that I get. Let me see what are the other messages for you guys. What are the other messages? So I've done alphabets in 4 different sets. I've done one today. This is the second set, and I did it in random order, whichever, I channeled whichever alphabets belong in which group, so I kept them together like that. Friendship, missing your friends. Your friends are also very important for you, to you. Your friends are missing you, and I feel today, really, if you were watching this, or whenever it's a timeless reading, whenever you're watching this, you will have this urge to call up your friends, or you're really missing someone. And I think a group of friends that always used to get together, and you're missing being with them. And uh, and it says that now is the time to work out those who will support and seek out those who will support and encourage you on your journey to fulfill your dreams. I think a lot of your friends also motivate you, they inspire you, and they encourage you to take up new things, or whenever you are in trouble, they inspire you, they encourage you to not to stop there, and keep going on. And I think your friends do that, and you're missing the support of your friends right now. And I feel, I don't know, I'm getting that heavy feeling you're really missing your friends, and I feel they are your big support system. So for a lot of you, your friends are your big support system, and right now you're missing them. So I'm doing different decks. I was just taking out a different deck, and I wanted to use that one right now. Let's see what are your channel messages for this group especially. And this is a timeless reading, guys. I also always say that in the end, whatever you do, it is your free will to act by your free will, or whatever your instincts guide you, wherever your instincts take you. We all have a gut feeling. We all have that power, and that magical power, that we know what is right and wrong for us. We just don't use it sometimes. And I think that's the best guide for us. Our instincts are the best guide. We can guide you. All tarot readers, psychic readers, or whatever, everything can guide you, astrology, numerology. But in the end, just do what fits best in your situation. These are just to validate what you're thinking, or putting you at the right path. Creation time for you guys, something to do with creativity. I get a lot of earth. I get a lot of earth signs here. Something to do with earth signs. You're going to create something new. You will dream about creating something new, or you've always had a dream. You've always, I don't know why some of you, or one of you, did use these words, that I always dreamt of doing this. I always dreamt of owning this shop. I always dreamt of owning this business. I always dreamt of doing this. So a lot of you have said that I have dreamt of this, and you really want this to become a reality. And I also feeling that you've been dreaming about what you have to do, and it's been coming to you in your dreams, and you're just scared whether you should take it forward or not, or probably you don't have the resources, probably the money or the right people to begin with, or you're not very sure of what to do. So I think you people are dreaming a lot and you really want to start that new venture. Let's see what are the other messages. I'm shuffling, guys. I put the laptop a bit higher today, so maybe that's why you can see. Synergy. Work with people. Whatever you wanting to start with or what you want to do, it's always good to work with people. Synergy is all about putting your resources together and then starting something new. When there are a lot of people, sometimes it works better. I know in partnerships to work better, but a lot of times when you're opening something, probably one person has to help you on finances, second person has to help you on planning, third person has to get that marketing, fourth person has to do the advertising. So a lot of different things coming together, and I think it's going to do fantastically well. And I also, because it's says a green man, if you can read it, it's the light is coming onto it, I don't know if you can read it. It says the green man. I also feel that's something to do with the earth. Like when I started the reading, I said this is a big I'm picking up big earth energies, earth signs here right now. And here also I'm getting something to do with mother nature, or probably you're starting a new farm or something to do with organic or organic fruits or vegetables, or anything organic. I'm getting that you starting something new which will save mother earth. It's about recycling and will have a positive impact on mother earth. So that's what I feel, guys. So one of you, few of you, some of you are starting this. So like I said, might all messages might resonate, a few messages might resonate. A lot of you have been praying. You've been up praying. A lot of you also believe in spells. Like I also do a lot of white witch spells, and they're easy. Guys never do black magic spells, because whenever you do black magic, it always comes back to you, and it hurts you. It hurts the people around you. So yes, do spells, do whatever you kind of invoking spirits. I feel this group, whoever's the alphabets I've taken, or also believe in invoking spirits, working with the Ouija board. Just be careful when you're invoking anything. I'm getting that negativity. Just be careful while invoking anything. Just protect yourself with light, with white light, or whatever you believe in, whichever crystal stones you believe in. Just protect yourself. And I feel a lot of you are working at night, invoking something, or you've been really praying hard for something to happen in your life, and you've been asking God to make it happen, and you really want to have that thing in your life. And probably your manifestation powers are very high right now, and that's what you're using to create something. I don't know why with this group I'm getting a lot of magic potions, I'm getting a lot of spells, I'm getting invoking spirits, and I'm also getting in anointing candles when you dress them up in oil, special oils, and then you chant certain things. So I get all that with this, and I think you guys are really wanting something from God, and you are you are trying to manifest also in this process. You manifesting every day. I feel that too, guys. When you're working with spirits, please be careful, because you can attract negative energy. That's the time, if you really new and you don't know what to do, you might attract negative energy, and then you don't know how to send spirits back. And I want you guys to be careful. I don't know why with this group I wanted to give this message. I wanted to give this message. I want you guys to be careful. I also feel a lot of you have black stones at home. You've kept black stone as a protection or something to do with black, or you wear a black thread. So a lot of you, I feel, believe in it and have protected yourself. You're also wearing a black thread around your wrist, or some kind of a black thread to protect yourself, which is good. That's fine. Whatever you believe in, just protect yourself, especially when you work with spirits and you have energies around you like this. Whatever work you do around that. Summer months not really good for you. Whatever. Sorry, guys, my hair are flying everywhere. They're coming on my face. I'm so sorry for that. Summer months are not really good for you. Not feeling too bright. In fact, you're drained of energy. A lot of you in this group are drained of some energy. If you're doing any ceremonies, if you're doing any spell work, guys, just protect yourself. I'm getting that again and again. That's why when I keep repeating a message, it really means something, because my channel messages like come back again. Sometimes, when I'm reading cards in tarot, and one card comes once, then the same card comes twice, no matter how much I've shuffled the card, or wherever I've kept the card. That means really that is an important message. Please be cautious, and I want to forewarn. It's better to be prepared. It's better to be warned than to get into anything which is negative energy, or anything that you can draw negative energy closer to you. somebody is not showing the right the real him or her, sorry, whoever you're dealing with is not showing you the true picture, is going to really change. Somebody you're dealing with, I feel this is a love situation. You've just met somebody, guys. You just met somebody on a dating site or through friends. You think that the person is like this abcd, but I think the person is, very different, and you will get to know very very soon. And also, if you won't get to know very soon, by the time you find out, it will be too late. You've fallen in love. So do your homework. Be very careful if you're especially dating somebody on a dating site. If you've met somebody on a dating site, somebody is going to change colors very fast. And I get a very fast energy that in probably a month's time you'll understand that, my God, when I started going around with this guy or seeing that person, the girl, she was very different or he was very different, and suddenly, everything has changed. Just when I got committed, just when I wanted to be committed, I wanted the other person to commit to the relationship. The person has really changed. So that's going to happen, guys. Just be careful. So it's not that all of you will face this situation. I'm just asking you to be cautious about whatever, if this situation comes up. So if you're around this situation, or getting close to dating someone on an online dating site, or any way you're going to meet somebody anywhere, so just be careful about these things. Something that had to come to full completion is not coming to full completion. I get another 2 months, 2 days, and I also get, I don't know, it's about a project also, that you wanted to finish a project on time, but that is getting delayed. It's taking longer than you thought. It's an assignment, it's a project, it could be office work, it's something you thought that will complete a full circle, or probably anything in a relationship, anything that you wanted to end or complete a full circle. Lessons were were learned, were taught, something like that. And I get this more like a job thing, that you wanted to complete a project, but that didn't happen, and this whole thing is going on and on and on, and that's worrying you, because you wanted to take up new projects and this one hasn't finished. So you're wondering about when will it finish. So guys, finish the project. You are also going in loops in the project, and you are getting irritated now that I had to complete this project and it's not completed till now. So guys, whatever project you have in hand right now, just complete it. I got this card again, synergy. See, I told you, if a card comes again and again, somebody wants the channeled messages or the spirit guides want to tell you that it is best when you work together. It's not alone. If you have been working alone, and if you don't want anybody else to work on that project, or probably you were asked that hire help or take help of somebody, probably a junior, a co-worker, or whatever, another employee, you're not doing that, and you want to complete it yourself, but I really would urge you to actually work with somebody else. Two people will work better, and I feel the project will be completed sooner than what you thought. See how many, it's come reversed. You're not working with people. One of you is very close, a few of you are really close. Even if you've been offered help, you're not taking help. You want to, I don't know why, you want to show that you can complete the project on your own, or you are out there to prove yourself. I'm going to take the word prove, because prove is coming to me very strongly. One of you want to prove that I can do this alone, I can handle this alone, I don't need anybody else in my life. You are not taking help. And delegate, I would say, delegate responsibility. There are people out there to help you. If you're not going to work in harmony, the project is not going to get completed on time, guys. Sometimes we work well alone, but sometimes it is better that other people are there with us, they're working with us. It's much easier. I got this card again, guys. In this reading, especially for these alphabets that I did spoke out loud about, I did call them out. There is somebody who's not showing you the true self, and it is coming after the job situation, or probably a partner, or somebody is not showing the true self. Could be a partner also, could be a loved one also. This could be a love situation. So, guys, if you're dealing with someone, it's especially somebody new you've met. See, could be in your business, could be in your job, anybody you're dealing with, somebody new who's entered your life is not the person is not the way you've really created a picture of that person in your mind, or the way you think the person is. I think the person is not like that at all. So guys, this is really just be cautious. I want to because I'm repeating it again and again, I'm emphasizing, re-emphasizing, just for impact, guys. Just be careful about the whole situation is what I want to say again and again. Let's see what are the other crystal messages. Is there anything different that I want to say here? Or sometimes, in a few readings, especially pick a pile, or sometimes when I'm taking cards together or doing, elements, it becomes a story. But sometimes the messages are standalone. One message doesn't have anything to do with the other message. But sometimes it becomes a story. So when it's becoming a story, so I want you to see it like a story. Probably that's a situation in life that's been created. What are the messages? What are the messages? What are the messages? What are the channel messages? Say, stay strong in your faith. The spirit guides are asking you to stay strong in whatever situation you're dealing with. It's not a very great situation you're dealing with, and I don't know why. I think you're fighting alone. You're fighting the battle alone. I don't know what situation it is. I cannot spell it out, but because I'm talking to so many people, and this is not a specific reading, so guys, you know your situation the best. But whatever situation it is, just stay strong, guys, and you're going to. Sail smoothly. Don't worry. The waters are not going to be that choppy anymore. And it says, stay strong in your faith, and a positive outcome is dependent on your keeping a positive mindset. So guys, just keep a positive mindset. Don't attract negative energy. Like when I started reading for you guys, I said a lot of negative. I said negative energy, negative energy, and this card is saying the same thing. So just be careful if you're working with any crystals, any stones, if you're working with spirits. Don't do it unless you're very sure of what you're doing. I want to say that again and again. So guys, just be very sure of whatever work you're doing, and also have faith in yourself. Stay positive. See, if you are negative, you will attract negative energy. It is said that if we are we think negative and have negative thoughts in our heart and head, we're going to attract people who are also negative around us. So always be with positive people, and that's how you'll also feel better. I want to take one more card out from the crystal cards. Let me see what it says. Prosperity. Good card finally. You're going to prosper. Yeah, there is prosperity. And this is a timeless reading. So whenever you're reading this, I want to say in 4 months from whenever you're listening to this message, from 4 months from then, I think you're going to prosper. It's going to be good. Your financial condition is going to be good. If you started a business, if you started anything, I think in relationship also, I want to say prosperity in relationship also. I want to say good things are going to happen to you in 4 months, guys. Just stay strong and be focused, and have faith in God, have faith in yourself, which is also very important, and you will get what you want in life. Let me see what other cards. Okay, I'm going to use my Moonology deck. Let's see what it says. So 2, 3 more messages, and I'm going to give you alphabets, and I'm going to give you colors that are important for you. So let's see what it is. Time to take action. A lot of you are not taking action, or few of you are not taking action, or one of you is not taking action. Especially if you're in if you're Aries. If you're in Aries, you're not taking action. April just went by. You didn't even know how it went by, and you wasted time. And suddenly there is May, and you're like, my God, time has slipped out of my hand. And it's gone so fast that you didn't realize that the project that you had to finish, or whatever you had to start in May, you didn't do any groundwork, you didn't do any homework, guys. So now is the time for action. You're not taking action, guys. I feel don't wear beige much. I feel for a week don't wear beige, color beige much. It's going to slow you down more. I'm getting that. I'm getting the message that's going to slow you down more somehow. That's not the color for you right now. Conclusions are within reach. Whatever answers you wanted, whatever prayers you've been, yeah, whatever prayers you've been doing, or whatever you've been asking for, or seeking out from God, or whatever you've been asking, will happen, and will happen very soon. So this is for a few of you. If you had when you started this reading and you had this question in mind, will it happen or not? So conclusions are within reach, and the answer you wanted will come soon, guys. I also got the line make hay while the sun shines. So that's for you. Maybe that you got lazy in between. So make hay while the sun shines could also be that you have a little more time in your hand, and don't waste that at least, and do something and make May count. Make May. You use the time you get in May to do things. Though I'm saying May or whatever, this is a general reading, guys. If it whenever you're watching it, it's timeless. If you're watching it in August, so take 4 months from there, or whatever time frames I've given you, so it will help you. If I very specifically said a May, so just let it be a May, hear it out like that. But where I give just general messages and it's timeless, just take the situation or the months from the time you hearing this reading. End of some tough cycle is going to happen. So maybe that's how you'll get the conclusion. There is some a tough cycle you have been facing, and like I said, beige. I don't know why I get there's a lot of brown here. It's a earth. Like remember, I started the reading and I say it's a very earth sign reading, and I just get earth, 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 and this sign as if it was tailor made for earth. I know you would be a lot of signs here, but either you dealing with the earth sign majorly, or the earth sign does influence your life a lot, and I feel the answers are going to come soon. I get a December. I also get that this December, whatever tough cycle that you were facing in your life and life was just going round in circles, that will end for you guys. So let's see what are the important alphabets. What do you get? Let's see what you get. What are the alphabets which are important for you? I get R. I get O. These are important alphabets. You might be meeting people with these names or whatever. These might be important for you in any way. You might be living in a house which begins with C or whatever. So that is important for you. C is important for you. Then I get B is good for you. And I also get D. There's also, sorry, I'm going to show it. I'm going to hold that out a little longer more. So maybe D is important for you because I'm holding it out a little longer. So D is also important for you. I'm going to take out some crystals and charms and let's see what are the colors or crystals or charms. Sorry, this is always noisy. So I'm going to keep it here and see what are you going to get. Let me see. Let me dig deeper. 1 minute. Just a minute. 1 minute. Pink is important for you. Pink is a good color whenever you're listening to this. So carry pink, wear pink, write with pink, whatever. When pink nail paint, whatever, or pink lipstick, or if you're a man, carry pink. Carry a pink a pen. Blue is important for you. Blue is a good color. I got another blue, so 2 blues. So blue and blue, light blue and the other blue, if you can see. Both are blues. So shades of blue. I also got wheel. Wheel means movement. I'm going to take this charm this way. It means start moving now. Stop being lazy. Because it said action, necessary action is not there. Action has to be there. You got lazy in between. April was laziness. You guys got to have to get up and go and do and make things moving. This is the little wheel that's going to take you forward. So guys, thank you so much for being here and thanks. I hope you enjoyed the reading. Do subscribe to my channel Tan Predicts. Check out the other videos and do hit the like button. Also write in the comment section whatever you liked and whatever did resonate. And I'll be back here tomorrow with another reading. Thank you guys so much. Enjoy your reading. Bye.